Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your gift card from the Wawa store website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in store.wawa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Wawa store official website. You can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the account icon at the top right corner and proceeding forward with your email address and your verification code. After logging in, you will be taken into the store homepage. Now, if you wish to activate a gift card that you already have, then scroll all the way down and you will see the gift card balance button. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be asked to enter your gift card credentials. Just type in your gift card number within the card number section and then enter your PIN, which is shown at the back of your card after you scratch off. After entering both of these credentials, click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity, and finally you can click on Get Balance. And now this will activate your newly purchased gift card right away. Once your gift card has been activated, you will see the balance within your account and you will now be able to use this gift card balance in order to make your purchases. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your gift card on the Wawa store. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.